Hala, this is your boy Agent, Limpopo Online TV. We're still hosting Shumera Veda. I've got Dr. Mario representing Black Culture, you know? So, what's happening? From Dr. Mario to Black Culture,
Dr. Mario is a product of Black Culture, and Black Culture is a group of three people consist of, it's a group consists of three people who is Kevin Bisol and Edgaro and Dr. Mario myself. I'm a vocalist, there's a DJ, there's a percussionist.
Okay.
Yes.
So now Namusi niko do perform as an individual or as a group as a whole?
I'm here for the performance of group of Black Culture.
Okay. Mario has been pushing for a long time. I remember by the time Yabo, what you call this guy?
He was doing hip hop.
Yabo K2 and before K2 there was Mobukuto
Bala Costa.
Bala Costa, yeah, I remember La Costa. So what's happening there? It's an evolution kind of meaning.
Actually, that was the long time back thing. It was on MTYE.
Yeah.
I left MTYE a long time back, so now I have my own production which is called Musical Scientist, which consists of Black Culture, Tendero, DJ Virus, na Kevin Bisol.
Okay.
Yes.
So, but if you want to the music you are Black Culture, banga wana guy.
Arabo the music of Black Culture bako jena ka iTunes ba search Black Culture or ba search Ndikare Burindera. So this one is if you write Ndikare Burindera ndio ni nento kuna director ka music of Black Culture.
Okay, no zipa utomanika Limpopo Online TV. We out of here. Shumera Venda 2016. Hala.
Yeah.